Today I'm challenging myself to take a long walk in the freezing cold and showing you that enjoying nature is way easier than you think. Today is a cold, crisp day. The temperature was hovering around 0, so I decided to just stay close to home and walk on the greenway. Most new developments try to leave green spaces if they can, and then they make walking trails going through the green spaces. Here's one surprising finding. Exercising in the cold can actually increase your calorie burn. Hi, it's Bird Lover. We finally got a sunny day here on Vancouver Island. It's January the 11th and it feels great getting out to walk. As long as you're dressed for the temperature, it's really quite comfortable walking out here in the cold. Watch to the end of the video where I'll share 10 tips on how to commit to walking in nature, even when it's cold out. The trail being so close to all the houses, you tend to meet more people out here. Most of this trail is paved, so it's excellent for riding a bicycle on. For walking, it's very easy, no stumps to trip over. Dressing in layers is best, and if you get too hot while walking, you can always take a few things off. The heather is already flowering. Today I'm walking through the Crown Isle Greenway. So even when you live not that close to woods, they brought the woods to this development. Fun to put up, but not so fun to take down. This tree here is called a monkey tree. I enjoyed my walk on the greenway so much, I came back the next day. And guess what? Christmas Lane was gone. Leave a note in the comments below if you walk during the winter, and the name of the trail that you like to walk on. If you look in the far distance, you could just see the mountains. The Beaufort Mountains and the Vancouver Island Range form the western backdrop of the valley. Two of the prominent mountains are Mount Washington and the Comox Glacier. One nice thing about the greenways is that they put up little maps so you can see which trails you can walk on. Here are the 10 tips on how to commit to walking in nature even when it's cold out. Number 1, dress for the weather. Number 2, plan shorter walks. Number 3, set realistic goals. Number 4, find beauty in the season. Number 5, buddy up. Number 6, prepare warm incentives. Number 7, stay mindful of safety. Number 8, remember the benefits. Number 9. Incorporate technology. Number 10. Be kind to yourself. I put a link in the description below to my blog where I expand on each tip. I'm heading out of the trail now, and I'm going to be heading towards home. But before I do that, I'm going to head to my warm incentive. You'll see what I mean. It never really gets that cold here on Vancouver Island, so lots of people do plant exotic plants. I checked my pedometer, and today I did 6,038 steps. I'm just using the pedometer that was already downloaded into my iPhone. Here's my one stop before I head home. I recommend this cafe. It is pretty small, but everything they serve here is delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.